If A is an element of the group G, write in mathematically A belongs to G such that order of A equals to n and n is 2m type. So we can say order of A is even number where you can say m is integer or m is positive integer, because order of an element always a positive number, so m is positive. Which of the following is also order n? It means if I am saying for option A, order of A square equals to order of A. Option B saying order of A raised to the power m equals to order of A. Option C, order of A raised to the power 4 equals to order of A. Or option D, order of A cube equals to order of A. Now, first try to understand what is the meaning of order of an element. So, order of an element, let's say A. So, what is the meaning? Smallest number of times we operate A. I am writing smallest number of times we operate element A such that A raised to the power n equals to identity, or smallest number. This n is the smallest number. It means first time power of A gives you identity, then this power is the order. In respect to operation multiplication, we say power, or in respect to addition, you say multiple. So this is the little difference of just notation. Now, before solve this problem, we recall a very important formula. Order of A raised to the power k is order of A, and k with GCD of k with order of A. As first option saying, this is our first option, order of A square equals to order of A. It means order of A square equals to order of A, and order of A is 2m. Now we can apply this formula. Order of A with 2 comma order of A, and this one we can write 2m upon 2 comma 2m equals to 2m. This is right hand side. So 2m cancel out by 2m. This implies that 2 comma 2m equals to 1. But this is not true because of 2 is common factor. So this is not true. So option A is wrong. Also, in general, from this one, what we can write, order of A equals to GCD of K with order A equals to order of A. We need this one, so this one cancel out. So K GCD of K with order A equals to 1. Means that what should be the power? K is power. So GCD of 4, this power 4 with 2m. GCD of this one is not equals to 1. That's why this is not an option. Option B and option A. These options discarded. Now 3 and 2m. GCD is 1. So it will be right one.